Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Jewelry Pirate. This is Barbara. Before we get started, I would like to remind everyone to please hit the notification bell in case you want to be informed when I upload a video. And also please like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Okay, as I promised you, today we're going to open up the pirate chest today for a video with some prices in it. And before we do that, I have a couple of pieces that were in somebody's bucket, and they decided that they don't want them. So I have them here. I'm going to show them to you real fast, and then we will go on with the pirate chest. This is video 61. This piece was in video 55. It's a pretty little statement necklace. I'm sure if you watched the video, you remember seeing this. The price on that is $5. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay. Our next item is the Crackle Glass necklace. This was from video 56. And it also has a pair of earrings with it. This has a hook closure. Here's your closure. And here is the necklace. This is very pretty. It's all glass. And these are the earrings that match it. These are very, very pretty earrings. Very pretty. And the price on this set, earrings and necklace, is $7. And we have one more to show you before we get onto that chest over there. And this is a beautiful necklace. So this is black and white. It is a vintage necklace. It is really, really nice. I just love the way that they put the beads together for this so that they're kind of intertwined. It's got a spring ring clasp. It is acrylic. It is clean and it is beautiful. And the price on that is $5. Okay, so let's get going. The first item that we have is on Buster over there. And this is absolutely gorgeous. These are all cup set rhinestones. Every bit, every one of them. They have a nice, there's really, really nice looking glow about them. And this is not a cheap necklace. They are clear with Aurora Borealis and a very pretty purple. And the length on this, let me get my little dandy thing out here. It's a total of 16 inches, so it's going to sit right on your collarbone. The price on this one is $7. So remember, again, this is video number 61. Okay, let's go through these. A lot of these are sets. Some of them are individual pieces. This here is a really pretty little necklace on a snake chain. Let's see here. This is New York & Company. Let me show you the necklace. It has 3 stones. a clear, a gray, and a black. It's on a snake chain, and it has a pretty pair of earrings to match with shepherd hooks. I don't know if you can see those. There you go. This is a nice little set, and the price on this set is $5. Very nice. Okay, our next item is a very fine, delicate, dainty necklace. It's in rose tone, and length on this is probably 16 inches. I'll show it to you. It is a Jewish star. It has rhinestones all around it. This is really a pretty, pretty, pretty piece. It's in great shape. There is a name inside of it. I don't know what it is. If you're interested, I will look it up. Let's see here. I don't know where my loop is right offhand. Oh, here it is. You see if I can see what this is real quick without taking a lot of time. No, it just says China. Okay, but it is a very well-made piece. And this is $3. Okay. Next piece coming up is going to be another fine necklace. Hang on. Okay, this next necklace is a triangular stone. And it's got a nice long chain on it. It's $2. All right, our next set. This is really pretty. These are probably all standard sizes, these ones that are in the sets. This one's a little longer. This one's probably 18 inches. This is a silver tone. There you go. And it's a basket, and it's got a very, very pretty pink pearl in it. And the set also has a really beautiful pair of earrings to match. There you go. You can see how pretty the pearls are inside. And this set is $5. Okay. Very pretty. A lot of this is, we're going to get into some bigger pieces in a few minutes. Okay, this here piece is from the icing. It's a little gold tone cross that hangs like that. Let's see if I can get you a measurement on this. This has a very long extender. Like I said, I think most of these, this one here is about 17 inches. I think most of these are going to be between 16 and 18 inches. And the price on this piece here from the icing, there it is, $3. This one here is more of, this is just adorable. You know, anybody that likes boating or nautical stuff, this is a very dainty, 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 delicate little anchor. There's all your chain in there. Now, I put all these on cards. This is $2. So these, if you have somebody that would like stuff like this, they're all ready for gift giving. All right, now this next one, this The chain, this is a silver piece. I don't know if anybody recognizes this thing in the medallion here. Let me see if it'll pick up. Okay, this is a cute little necklace. Again, here's all your chain, lobster claw clasp, and this is $2. Okay, now we have a World Trade item. This is very pretty. Let me put this on Buster. Okay, and I'll show you the ticket. It's right here. This is the necklace. This is very pretty. Okay, it's a little bent up here from sitting in the bag. Okay, and this has a pair of earrings that go with it. It's Self-Help Craft of the Worlds is where this came from. This is nice, and they're let me show you the back. Okay, they're pottery. I'm not sure about the round beads, if they're pottery also, or if they're wood. They feel like they're pottery. But anyway, there's the set. And this is a lovely set. Here's my beautiful word that I like to use. And this set is $8. Okay, it's brand new. It's a Peruvian piece. Okay. Our next item is a set. It's a pair of earrings, little post earrings. And we have a necklace, which is in the shape of a butterfly. This is all silver tone. And I think this necklace is it's got a very long extender. Let me show you this set. This is really, really beautiful. There you go. There's the little earrings. And length on this. This is probably 17 inches, not counting a 3-inch extender. Once again, this item for this set is $4. The next item that we have is a pair of clip-on earrings, but they're very pretty. And let me show them to you. They have a little weight to them, but they're really pretty. They have sort of a dichroic glass look to them. I'm not positive. I don't think that they're glass, but they could be. Let me just get them close up for you so you can see the different colors in them. These are really pretty. They're clip-ons. And these are $2. Just remember, video 61. All right, moving on. We're about halfway through. All right, this is another nice set. Let me show you this. This is a bracelet with a toggle clasp. This is really, really, really pretty. It's a mixture of silver tone and gold tone. It is very, very slinky. So when you wear it, it's going to really conform to your wrist. It's very beautiful. And if you look at the toggle here, the way that this is shaped, it's horrible. There you go. See that? All right. It's like a textured ring and then a clear one over it. We have the earrings that match with that same, they're 3/4 hoops. So this is a beautiful set, and this is $7. That's a bargain for that one. That's a beautiful bracelet. Okay, this is another set. This is a necklace which is much longer. And let me see here. It's double strand It's 16 inches without the extender and the pendant. Here is the pendant. It has all these little hearts in there, as you can see. If you turn it around, you'll see more hearts. It's got a lobster claw clasp, an extender with a bead, and it has a pair of earrings to match. Very pretty, you know, costume, but very, very pretty. So this set is $4. And this is a very nice set. I'm sure if you get this, you'll really enjoy wearing it. Our next set is really lovely. My word. Okay. This has, this is a nice small pendant. This is antique brass. Okay. It's a snake chain. This is the pendant. I'm afraid it's not going to probably show it how beautiful it is. This is very intense greens. Go back a little bit. Maybe you can see it a little bit better. No, it's not going to do it. But it's beautiful greens. And it's a snake chain. And this is by Leah Sophia. And it has a pair of really nice lever back earrings that match it. I wish these green colors would show up for you because they're really intense and beautiful. But it's showing more clear. And when I say they're green, with a lot of Aurora Borealis, they're really pretty. There's your lever backs. And this set is $5. That's for the earrings and for the necklace. Okay, we have a 3-piece set coming up next. And it's by Icing. And let me show you this set. Yeah, we've only got a couple more left to go. And first item that we have is a pair of earrings. I'm going to show you these because all the pieces on these match to the these here. Okay, these are brand new on card. These are really nice, both turquoise in the center, and they're by the Icing. Okay, and then we have 2 necklaces that go along with this set. I don't know why I priced this set so reasonable, but I'm sure the earrings are worth that alone, if not a little bit more. Here is one of the necklace, and this one is just like the earrings. Okay, it has the tassel going down on the bottom. It's got a long chain. It's got the Icing tag on it. And let me show you the third piece. And this one is a continuous necklace. And it has the tag. And there is 2 stations on this necklace. It's long. All of these have like a rope chain on them. And this is the big long necklace. Again, all silver tone. Very pretty. And the price of this set altogether is $6. The next set is a set by Sonoma. This set is beautiful. Okay, it's got a necklace. It's done in greens. Antique brass color on your findings. There you go. It's got shell. The beads on it are all glass. Here's the pendant. It is ice cold. This is very pretty. Alright, there's some shell. Look at this beautiful bead over here. Can you see that one there? It's really beautiful. So we have the necklace, and then we have a pair of earrings that match. These are new on card. They're the same as the pendant. Alright, these originally sold just for these for $14. You can have this whole set if you'd like it for $8. It's a really nice set. I think you will really enjoy wearing this. It's great for this time of the year, and it is really very, very, very pretty. Alright, let me put this to the side. We have one more, I think. Yes. Now this one here is a little heavier. Let me show you this necklace. I'll put it on the bust. And this one here, I think, is Premier Designs. And let me have to double this up. It's a little weird because it's been in the plastic bag, but it's fine. Alright, these are silver, copper color, and an antique gold color. Very pretty. Here's your clasp. There's your Premier Design tag. And this has earrings that match it. Oh, nope, that's not them. What did I do with them? Here we go. These are very pretty. There's your earrings. They're hoops. They're on a shepherd hook. And the same beads that are on the necklace are on these earrings. And this set here is $8. Put that back. So that concludes this part of opening up the pirate chest. I hope you enjoyed it. There's a lot of nice items in here. Like I said, they're all packaged up nicely. They're ready to give as a gift. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'm hoping everybody has a wonderful day. And try to stay safe out there. And just be all in all careful and aware of the people around you. So, I hate to sound like a broken record, but I am from a state that's had some really major problems with the COVID. So, I am precautionary, and I just worry about all of you. So, anyway, I will say goodbye for now. And I will have some more videos coming up soon. You have a wonderful afternoon, day, evening, wherever you are. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.